Ini 5.000 dah. This is vegetable.
Vegetable.
Fun vegetable.
So what are you doing?
I want make herbal pudding.
Pudding.
Yeah, pudding.
What is this?
This is leaf.
Leaf?
Yeah.
Of what? How you call this in Indonesian?
Daluman.
Daluman.
Yeah.
Okay.
Daluman. I put water.
You eat it a lot, this?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
The leaf is from the...
From the actually from the garden we have, but still small one. That's why
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
We have the small one. I give. This one.
Yeah, very small.
Yeah, still small, still younger. And then we must waiting maybe approximately 6 months until we are the bigger one, but this is different. And then we can pick and squeeze, deep squeeze.
Okay.
And after that they are like melted, and we serve with the red sugar column and taste with the ice. This perfect. Yeah. And then we leave approximately 1 hour for make a melted.
Okay.
And also we use the pandanus, like I explained yesterday. This is the pandanus.
That you use for the Indonesian dessert.
Yeah. And good smell. And then this finish, and then we keep it the red sugar column with the pandanus. And later, after we are lunch, after we are enjoy our lunch, and then we have a dessert with the Balinese pudding. We called daluman.
Daluman.
Daluman, yeah.
Perfect.
Wow. Hot water.
Red sugar column.
Red sugar
Inside.
column, yeah, inside.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Easy, yeah. Grate of the coconut for make a complete. After we squeeze the daluman, and then we make the melted red sugar column, and then now we open the coconut. Wow! Oh, fresh coconut. Okay. Ini kan? Sanny put a salt little bit and mix.
Nah, injak kargana es. Kaanglah gitu nih.
Yang siang ada di dia.
Good?
Good, very good. You can try.
Oh, fresh coconut milk.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very good. Very different taste.
Yeah, because we are burning before we grate.
Ah, yeah. That's the burn. Wow.
It's
Already little bit thicker.
Yeah.
thicker, yeah.
So it's natural jelly.
Yeah.
You don't add anything inside.
No.
Wow.
On the lip, we squeeze hard,
And that's it.
and that's it. And jelly.
Wow.
I want make yellow rice.
Nasi kuning.
Yeah, nasi kuning.
Oh, okay. Kaffir lime.
Yeah, lemon lime.
How do you call this in Indonesian?
Daun jeruk.
Daun jeruk.
Yeah, daun jeruk.
Daun jeruk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lemongrass,
Oh, okay.
garlic,
Yes.
onion,
Onion.
and turmeric. Now I cook in rice cook electric.
Rice cooker electric.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cooking for soup black nut.
Soup black nut.
Yeah.
Okay.
In Bali, Jukut Undis.
Jukut Undis.
Jukut
Jukut
Undis.
Undis.
Yeah.
Jukut Undis.
Yeah, this is Bali.
Bay leaf. Oh, okay.
Yeah. In Indonesia, daun salam.
Daun salam.
Yeah.
Okay.
In Bali, jangar ulam.
Janggaruram.
Yeah. Lemongrass also.
Okay.
This is galenga.
Garanga. Okay.
Yeah. What is in this? In
Ginger.
no. Okay, wait.
You leave like this 1 hour, 2 hours.
Yeah, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour 30.
1 hour 30.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now chicken satay.
Yeah, chicken satay. Food. This is original coconut oil. Yeah.
Coconut oil.
Yeah.
You do it?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, this smells very very good.
Yeah. Okay, like like a milk coconut.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm grated coconut
Yes.
and I
Press it.
and
Okay.
I boil.
Ah.
Yeah.
And it makes oil.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, this is very cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Sweet ketchup.
Sweet ketchup.
Yeah.
Apinya nyibakin apa?
Oh, belum nyobain ya? No, for this.
Ingredient.
Yeah.
For the fried vegetable. Okay.
Yeah.
semut. Nanti aman.
Yes, red sugar palem.
Oh. Smells super good. Everything finished?
Yeah. Okay, time for dance.
Time for lunch. Thank you so much, Sanny.
Now we can now.